All right, guys, 2019 Toyota Camry 4-cylinder. Nice car. What we got done on it? So we got the factory converter up there. There's a secondary O2 sensor. Then there was a converter there. We put a high flow in its place right there. Then we put a Magnaflow Magnapack. You guys can see right there. Part number 10416. There'll be a link in the description. Then 2 1/4 pipe continues. Then we did a custom Y pipe on each side, there and there. Look at that custom Y pipe right there. We make them in-house, by the way, guys. And then out the sides on each side, tailpipes into quad tips, black. Complete the look. Came out really clean, really nice. Right there, right there. This is the plastic grommet that was on it. On one side, it blocked one of the sides. You have to take it off to make it dual. And there's the single muffler right there. That was on it that we took off. And there's the resonator that was on it that we took off also. All right? So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. 2023 Toyota Camry SE. We got the factory converter shoved up all the way. Secondary converter there. Then we took the huge resonator off there. Then 2-inch pipe continues. And then we took the muffler off and put a 2 1/4 tailpipe in its place. As you can see there, into a sexy black roll tip right there to finish it off. Compared to all this ugliness that was on it, making it quiet. Ew, we don't like that. We made it loud. Stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. There's sound decibels. I like it. It's clean. 111. What do you think? Yes? I love it. All right. Did you tint them or you get them like that? Did you change the whole light?
No, I take it in and tint it up.
Yeah, tint them out. Yeah, they look good on it. That's clean. Magnaflow sounds good on these. I like it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Rev it? Yes? He likes it. Okay. As long as he likes it, we like it. It sounds good. Wow, it is loud, guys. Your sound decibels? 116. I love he starts beeping only when I'm recording videos. Look at that triaxle design. You see the quadra steer? That's cool. I still don't like them. Anyways, look at this Camry. Camry. Let's see. It's loud. I like it. It sounds good. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Toyota Camry 4-cylinder. Magnaflow Magnapack, high flow cat, and duals. Sounds good. Enjoy, guys. Toyota Camry SE, ready for business.